Hello! I have got some very exciting news to share with you guys, which some of you might already know from my social media. I have got a brand new book, Chetna's Healthy Indian, and I am super excited, and I'm really proud of this little beauty. And you might ask, why Chetna's Healthy Indian? Well, I just want to show everyone that Indian food is not difficult to make. It can be made really simple, easy recipes. You don't really need to buy the whole spice shop. You can just do with some basic spices. And people often think that, I haven't got the time, and I haven't prepped anything. But it's not the case. You can just pick up a recipe and get food on the table in 15-20 minutes. And so that is what this book is all about. It has been in the making for the last 1 year. I have put in a lot of work into this, developing recipes that I cook for my family every day. And we do eat really healthy food. And you guys often ask me how I maintain myself, and it is all the balance. So I eat really healthy food every day, but of course then I balance it with a slice of cake. So yes, it's all about the balance, and this book has got recipes that are really healthy, packed with lentils, vegetables, but no, it's not a fully vegetarian book. It has got a few chicken recipes. I love a good chicken curry. It's my comfort food, so I had to put in some of those, but it is a lot of vegetarian food in there. So this has got a few chapters in it, and I'm introducing this book with some delicious salads. I really don't like kind of leafy, empty salads. I want some kind of substance in it, some real food in it. So the salads are really nice, and one of the things I'm really happy about in this book is some of the recipes. I've tried to show 4 or 3 different ways of serving it. So you could serve it with potatoes, you could serve it with roast veg, or other bits. So you can take the same dish and then make it into a different finished dish, if that makes sense. So you get more variety from your cooking. Moving on from salads, it's got a vegetables chapter, which is using all sorts of veg, and one of my favorites, bitter gourd. I love this picture. And then I've got some lentils and grains, and a small chapter on fish and some chicken. Of course, you need to eat it with something, so I had to add a flatbreads and rice chapter. And my favorite, guess what? Chutneys. I have had a chutney chapter in all the books because I think a good chutney just brings the whole food to life. It just adds so much more to the meal. And having a sweet tooth, I had to put in a sweets chapter. So there are a handful of sweets for you to try. I really do hope that you guys are going to get yourself a copy of this book. But I am going to start a brand new series on here, YouTube. And it's going to be called Chetna's Healthy Indian, of course. And all the recipes will be from my book. You can follow that, so please do subscribe so that you don't miss any recipes. But for all the written recipes, you'll have to get a copy of this. I will leave the links in the description box and up there. And if you have absolutely any questions about the book, about the recipes, about anything to do with Chetna's Healthy Indian, please leave me a comment below, and I do answer to almost all comments. I make it a point to go through your comments. I love reading what you guys have to say. If you've tried the food, I absolutely love to read all that. So if you have any queries, please leave me a comment and I will get back to you.